everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So here I took a very hard plastic bucket which is for the popcorns, and I will be covering all of this from the sides with paper mache clay. But if you don't have this clay, obviously you can use the tissues with the glue to cover it all around. Then here I took some water and I will be smoothing down the clay. Then here I have this hook for the curtains. It has this flower with some leaves which I will be using to make some designing on it. First I was thinking to leave some space, but then I decided to cover all of the basket with this texture and I will leave it to dry completely. Then here I took thick piece of cardboard which I am going to make the lid for the basket. I will be putting it inside just to take the size for the bucket, and then I will stick it with the hot glue, and then I will be taking another piece of cardboard, just a bigger size than the bucket, and then I will stick this piece over this one, and I will stick it with the hot glue as well. So this is how it looks like, and it's holding the bucket as well while you are even making it without holding. Then I'm using this foil to make the figure as I did for my another basket, another bowl which the lady is sitting with silver cloths. So this one is also the same thing. I will be making the figure with the foil like she's in a sleeping position. So this is how she looks like now, and for those who didn't know the previous video, Here you will see the picture now for my previous sculpture of the bowl, this one. So I decided to make another one with another pose, like this one is sleeping, and maybe in upcoming videos I will be making some other poses as well with the bowls or the baskets. So next I took this cement, I added some water, and I haven't measured anything. This is a stretchable fabric which I'm going to use. I love this kind of fabric. This is very nice to make the wrappings for the dolls or for the sculptures. And cement and those things also I didn't measure. I just added the water and I see how much consistency I want for the thickness or the liquid. Then I will be covering all this cardboard piece while leaving only the arms and the head of the lady without covering with this fabric. The rest of this I will be covering it all around, and I will be throwing down some fabric from the cardboard as well. I will not be keeping it on the exact size of the cardboard. I will be leaving it down as well a little bit, and I will be pressing down the figure to make her figure prominent more here like this. And I will be Then here I'm again using my paper mache clay. On this stage you will be covering the arms and you will be giving it proper shape more, like, because with the foil you cannot get the exact looks. So here with the clay you will be covering all the rough parts of the figure as well, and it will be more easy to give it shape, like thick one little bit from the shoulder side and from the elbow part. Those things you will be making it clear with this paper mache clay. And for the head as well, you can see the shape is not prominent here with the foil still. Then with this clay you will be adding some more details to make it looks a little bit equal to her body. I have let it dry completely overnight, and then here I'm using this Play-Doh, and this is a glue and water mixture which I will be spraying on her head to make the hair, to stick the clay on top of the head. And most of you knows that I mostly use the Play-Doh to make the hair or head parts. So today I don't have the black color, so I'm using this orange color Play-Doh. And I will be making some hair, and later on I will be giving some more details by using the tools. Then here with the tool I'm making some more details for the hair, and still the back part of the head is still left to stick the hair. And some of you asked that this Play-Doh works well, or it doesn't get melts with the heat or those things. After finishing these things, I actually use the white glue and water mixture over the Play-Doh as well to make it more smooth and hard, and then later on I spray it with the transparent spray to lock it down completely. So here you can see her hair, how they are. So now I'm using black acrylic paint to cover all of this lid, her body, hair, this fabric, and the under of the lid as well. I mean cardboard parts as well. I will be covering all of this with the black acrylic paint, and then this basket as well. I will be covering it with black acrylic paint. So now here I'm using golden acrylic paint, my favorite part where I start to have fun. I love these things to do coloring. So I will be coloring all of this part with the golden acrylic paint. Then I will be highlighting at the end some golden parts just from the top to highlight the wrinkles of the fabric and those things. Here I am highlighting the wrinkles of the fabrics with the golden paint. First I was thinking to leave the sculpture as it is with the golden black paint as it is, you see it now, but then I decided to highlight her body to make it a little bit looks prominent more in the fabric. Then I colored the body only and her hair with the black acrylic paint, just black acrylic paint to make it more highlight and to leave it as it is. Then again I changed my mind. I decided to use the silver paint to make a combination, and I color her body with the silver acrylic paint to make it highlight and prominent more. Color her. Here you can see even black was looking nice, but I decided I need to use something different. So I used silver acrylic paint to color her body completely. So this is how she looks like now, and it's much better now, I think, in my point of view, and I loved it. Then I will be decorating the lid with some more stuff on it, like clay flower, roses, red color, bronze color, some beads I will be using as well. It's just totally up to you, whatever you want to do, or you want to leave it plain, you want to leave it black and golden only, or you can use any other stuff. So for me, I like this way to highlight it more, to make it more unique and different. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well as I did. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, share my videos, and do not forget to click on bell notification to get the upcoming videos notifications. And thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next video. Till that, bye.